Hi there, you guys. I'm so sorry that I can't be there with you in person today. Here is what we are going to be working on for today. We will begin class by working on our IXL E.2. If you happen to finish this yesterday, that is perfectly okay. You can silent read for just a few minutes. We should not be spending any longer than about 5 minutes on this today because we have quite a bit of stuff to get through. After our 5-minute timer is finished, we are going to work on our comprehension questions for the medicine bag. These are going to be located on Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you guys kind of a model of where to find them. Okay, so they will be, I will put it underneath absent check here, and I will put it underneath your rites of passage unit 1. So here's where we are going to be finding all of our stuff to do today. Okay, so I'm going to click on this so that it opens on up for us. I'm going to hit edit assignment just so that we see it. Okay, and then your comprehension questions are right here. All right, I'm going to click on those just so that we can see what they look like. Okay, these are the comprehension questions that you're going to be completing in class. They are due by the end of the period, so make sure that you work very hard on them. Okay, we're going to be answering the following questions about our story from yesterday. And then we are going to work on the research in our journal at the very bottom. So this should take you just a little bit more time than usual, but not too much, okay? That needs to be completed, and then the whose land am I on activity. This is independent, so let's kind of open it up and see what this one looks like. Whose land am I on? Before you, your parents, or even Europeans, lived on the land where your house is. Native Americans lived there. In this activity, you will be using a website to look up what Native American tribe used to live on the land where your house is. Then you will do a little bit of research about that tribe. Okay? So all of you are going to click on this link and type your address into the search bar. So this is what it should look like here for you. Here it says native land. We're going to hit go to map, all right? And then there's a search bar right here on the side. That's where you're going to be typing in your address, okay? Type that in and it will zoom into the map and it will show you all of the tribes that have been where you are living, okay? After we figure out which tribe, sorry, we are going to put down which one landed where your house is. And then we're going to do a little bit of research, just 5 questions worth. This is all going to be independent. So you guys will and should not need any help, okay? And we are going to be writing a short summary for the medicine bag, okay? I did attach a summary aid for you guys as I normally do. The summary will be located within your interactive notebook, and it should be about 8 sentences, just like the last one. So you're going to be putting who is in the story, what happened in the story, and make sure that it's 3 sentences long. When the story occurred, where the story occurred, and what does this story teach us, okay? And if you need a sentence starter, I have given you guys one at the very bottom here, just kind of give you a little bit of a boost. If we need to know where our interactive notebooks are located, those are always going to be found on our Google Classroom underneath the first week forms and activities. You will click on your interactive notebook and start a fresh, brand new blue slide because we are in Unit 1. Okay. And I believe that is all I have for you guys. You guys will be working on a Kahoot today if we have time. If we don't have time, we will absolutely do it on Thursday of this week. Okay. And with that, my friends, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm here to help. Just because I'm not in the classroom doesn't mean that I can't answer your messages. Okay? Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I hope to see you all very soon.